Do you want to know how you can delete your previous chats on ChatGPT? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your previous chats on ChatGPT. Go ahead and open ChatGPT on Chrome or Edge browser which you have on your PC, log into your account, and you can see your chats on the left-hand side of your corner. And you can see to delete your previous chats, you can click on the three lines which is on here on the previous chats. So in order to delete it, you can click on this and you can just see that your previous chats will load up. In order to delete it, you can go to this section which is the three dots, click on it and you can see delete option. If you click on delete, it will ask for you and it will tell that this will delete the name of your file. And then you can see that you can click delete and you can see on the left hand side that your previous chat has been deleted. Let me show it to you again. Click on the three dots and click on delete. Click delete again and your previous chat will be deleted. This was a video on how you can delete your previous chats on ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.